Now we will learn to convert one unit to another unit in metric system. Can you remember about metric system? You have learned it previously. So whenever we are going to measure something, we may measure some length, or we may measure some volume of something, or mass of something. We used to use our metric system. Okay. Can you remember about the header of the metric system? I hope all of you can remember it. So let's revise it once again. Okay. So the header of the metric system was like this: kilo, hecto, deca, and then it will be as basic unit, then deci, centi, milli. It was like this. The header was like this: kilo, hecto, deca, basic unit, deci, centi, milli. Now what is the basic unit? Based on this, it is changing. Now suppose we are going to find out any length. Okay. So at that time, the basic unit will be meter. The basic unit will be meter for finding the length. Basic unit is in meter. So kilo. So at that time we will write it down as kilometer. Hecto we will write it down as hectometer. Deca we will write it down as decameter. Then meter. Then decimeter. Then centimeter. Then millimeter. Okay. So this side, this one is the smaller, and this side, this one is the bigger. That is, kilo is bigger unit than hecto, deca, meter, and so on. Hecto is bigger than deca, but hecto is smaller than kilo. Okay. So this side when we will go, that is bigger unit to smaller unit. Okay. And this side when we will go, that is smaller unit to bigger unit. Now suppose the basic unit is something else. Suppose we want to find out the volume of some liquid. Okay, volume of some liquid. So at that time, what will be the basic unit? Think it. Yes, you are absolutely correct. That one will be in liter. Okay, and it is represented by small l. So kilo will be kiloliter, then hectoliter, then decaliter, then liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Okay, to find out volume of any liquid. Okay, we used to use the basic unit as liter. Now suppose we want to find out mass of something. Okay, that is how much mass is there in the pen. Okay, that how much is the matter inside it. Okay, so to find out this mass, we used to use the basic unit as gram. As gram. Okay, so when it will be as kilo, so it will be as kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram. Gram may be written sometime as G or GM, like this. Okay. Then decigram, then centigram, then milligram. Okay. So these are the basic structure of the unit system in metric system. That is, when we are finding or we are measuring some quantity in the metric system unit, at that time we used to use these headers to specify how much amount or how much quantity is there. Okay, so these are the basic structure. Now we will find out that kilometer, suppose 1 kilometer is equals to how much hectometer, or 1 kilometer is how much centimeter, or 1 centimeter is equals to how much hectometer, or 1 centiliter is equals to how much deciliter. All of these kinds of system, these kinds of conversion we will learn in this video. Okay, so wait and watch. Let's see what happens. So, I will explain the entire system in using the basic unit as meter. Okay, so whenever required we will use it as the liter or as the gram. So we have seen that the basic unit, when it is changing, based on that the meter will, kilometer will be as kiloliter if the basic unit is in liter. Like this. This is very simple thing. Okay, so let us find out what is the relation between these headers. Okay, so suppose first one is, I am writing as 1 kilometer. Now 1 kilometer is equals to how much hectometer. Now see, one step I have jumped. 1 kilometer is equals to 10 hectometer. Okay. Again, now 1 kilometer is equals to how much decameter. So how many steps I am jumping? 2 steps. 1 kilometer is equals to how much decameter. 1 kilometer is equals to 100 decameter. Now suppose I have asked you 1 kilometer is equals to how much meter. 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps I have jumped. Okay. Now, do you know 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Okay. Suppose I want to know that 1 kilometer is equals to how much decimeter. So I want to reach at the decimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Decimeter. So isn't it very interesting that how many steps I am jumping? It is coming as the power of 10 like this. Okay. This is really very interesting and so much impressive as well, and very easier to calculate. This is in metric system. In metric system, the relation between the two headers, successive two headers, that is based on the power of 10 relation. We have learned the power of 10 concept in the header system of Indian number system or international number system. The same thing is here as well. Now see, if I am asking you 1 kilometer equals to how much centimeter. Now check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps I have jumped. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps, and I have written as centimeter. Okay. Or how much millimeter? So 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 millimeter. Okay. Now, suppose I want to find out, that is 1 decameter is equals to how much centimeter. Okay. So wait and watch. Let's see what happens for this. So what have I told? 1 decameter is equals to how much decimeter. Okay. Oh, no, I have told you how much centimeter. Okay. So let us write it down as how much centimeter. So the thing you need to keep it in your mind, be very much careful. where are you standing? You are at decameter. Okay. And where do you want to go? You want to go to centimeter. Okay. So decameter to centimeter. 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps. Okay. So 1 followed by 3 zeros. That is 10 to the power 3. Okay. So 1 decameter is equals to 1000 centimeter. But be very much careful. 2 things. That this one is, that is, we are representing this system when we are finding from higher unit to the lower unit. That is, higher to the lower we are going, and we are doing like this. How many steps we are jumping? 10 to the power that, or 1 followed by that much zeros will be the answer. Okay. Now, suppose next question I have asked you that 1 meter is equals to how much millimeter? 1 meter is equals to how much millimeter? So where are we standing? We are standing at meter. So that you need to mark it first. Meter. We are standing at meter. And where do you want to go? We want to go to millimeter. So is it higher unit to lower unit? Yes, of course it is higher unit to lower unit. Now let's see how many steps are we jumping. 1 step jump. We have reached to deci, centi, milli. 3 steps we have jumped. This 10 to the power 3, or you can write it down as 1000 millimeter. Okay. Now you give me one question. Okay, I am taking your one. 1 hectometer is equals to how much decimeter? 1 hectometer is equals to how much decimeter? So let us write it down. So first thing to find out, is it am I want to convert from higher unit to lower unit? Higher unit to lower unit? Yes, of course. Hectometer is higher and decimeter is lower. So higher unit to lower unit. First thing is done. Second, where am I? I am at hectometer. I am at hectometer. Where I want to go? I want to go to decimeter. I want to go to decimeter. So let us find out how many steps are there. 1, 2, 3. Yay! I have reached. So 3 steps I have jumped. So 10 to the power 3, that is 1000 decimeter. So 1 hectometer is equals to 1000 decimeter. Next question you give me. Okay. So, yes, you are asking that, ma'am, 1 meter is equals to how much centimeter? Let us find it. 1 meter is equals to how much centimeter? So, first thing to check, is it conversion of higher unit to lower unit? Yes. Second thing you need to check, where am I standing? I am standing at meter. Where I want to go? I want to go to centimeter. Okay. Now let us find out how many steps am I jumping. 1 step, 2 steps. So it will be 100. Okay. Now whose question I have not taken, they need to do it by themselves only. Please solve it. Now you friend, any unit from higher unit to lower unit conversion and do it by yourself. Okay. See you soon. Thank you.